Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to IK Engineering. In the last two exercises, we have learned that how we can make a CSV file and then how we can import that file into Civil 3D. Now, from that file, we will create surface and contours. So today our lesson is that how we can create contours and surfaces. So let's get started. First, you have to come to drawing utilities, drawing settings. Here, as you need, you select the scale. So I select 1:1. Select the location where you are sitting. I select Pakistan and select the coordinate system. Apply and OK. Now come to the practical. So here is on the interface, on the first column, point creation tool and import points. Click on import points, click on add points. We have exercise about this, how we can import CSV file. You can watch that. So I save DT1 as well. Click on it and okay. Now select the format in which format you have taken the data. We have taken the data by GPS PNEZD, mean, point, northing, easting, elevation and description. Add all points, and here you can give the name. I give the name CP1 and OK. Sometimes the points transfer but not clearly. You have to double click. If the points not looking clearly, so type here Z enter, E enter. Now our point has been transferred. You can see. Now we will create a surface for this point. So right click, create surface. CP1. I give the name CP1 and I change here 1m1. OK, and click on OK. Now click on the plus sign, CP1 definition come, and then points group. Click on the points where you give the name, apply and OK. So our contour has been drawn. Now some points is not looking very clearly, so you have to be minimize or change the scale. Now click on it, right click and come to the edit surface style, come to the display, and if you want to show their elevation, so the elevation bar, open apply, you can see sorry okay. Now if you want to show their slopes, so open the slopes and apply. The slopes will show here where the slopes is. Now I want to show by slope arrows where is the slopes going, so apply, you can see here. Now if you want to show their watershed, you can see here, apply and OK. Now if you want to show their smoothing, come again to the edit surface style and come to the contours. If you change the contour intervals, so you can change here, for example I give the 2.5, so the measure interval automatically will change, you can see. Now I want to contour smoothing sorry, become true, click on true, apply, here you can drag down, apply and OK. So you can see there that the contours become smooth, you can see. Sometime we need their elevations, description, northing, easting, so I want to show one by one. Let's click on one and select similar, come to the properties and points label style, come here, and if you want to show only elevation, so click on elevation, you will see here. Now again come again here and select northing and easting, so you can see that we have shown northing and easting. Sometime points, elevation and description, so you can see points, elevation and description. Now I want to draw a contour interval, so come to annotate and add label surface and come to the contour multiple at interval. So where you want to draw a contour interval, so drag a line, I want here can asking interval along contours 100 meters, yes, I want to on 100 meters for example, so you can check here that we have contour interval on 100 meter. If you need other line, So again come and select any way, and again 100, yes, 100. You can see here also that we have a contour interval by 100 meters. Sometime Civil 3D draw automatical line which we don't need, so I want to draw by a polyline where my points has been located, so I want only those points. So you can select a polyline, or simple you can type PL, enter. So it asking specify start point, so I take start from here. It will take time a little bit, guys, but you have to be apply the same procedure. You can select one by one now escape or enter to close. Okay, now I want draw polyline. I want only these points. So here you can see boundaries. Right click, add on boundaries and give the name BOU. Okay, and make sure select here outer. Okay, now select the outer boundary that you have drawn by polyline, so you can see our original points, our original area. So guys, this was today our chapter, that how we can create the surfaces. I hope you got it. For more informative videos, subscribe our channel IK Engineering and press the bell icon for more informative videos. Thank you for watching. Wassalam.